Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another Facebook page related tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how to change your Facebook page name and add admin by PC. So, let's start. To change your page name, go to Page Settings and Privacy Options. Now, click on Settings. In the General Page Settings, click the Edit menu for Page Name Change. Type your new page name. After typing your page's new name, click on the Review Change options. Now type your password, and click Request for Change. At a time, we can change our page username. Click Save Name. We can see, my page name has been changed. Now we add admin to this page, from Page Role Options. Go to New Page Experience, and click Add New. Click on Next, and type the ID name, which you want to give admin access. Select the name, and allow full control access, or give access. Now, type your password and click Confirm. Admin access invitation is sent. When this person accepts, then he will access this page admin role. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.